friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a first impressions of this YVP Cosmetics Makeup Perfector Sponge. Now YVP stands for Your Beauty Pal. It's an Indian brand which recently launched their Makeup Perfector Sponge. The one I have is called Naked and it's like white in color. They also have another one called Lust which is black in color. So the packaging of the product looks like this. It comes in this nice container which has like a metal lid which you can use to mix your foundation or any product on this. And the container itself has small holes which lets your sponge breathe in case it's wet. I really like the fact that it comes with a container, especially it's good for traveling so that you can keep your sponge in this and it's not going to go all over the place or get dirty. So the sponge looks like this. It's a nice white sponge. It feels really soft and pretty dense. It's not wet, it's completely dry right now, but it feels really good. So let me just read out what they say about this sponge. Now this is latex free, so it's good for those with sensitive skin. So it says the Makeup Perfector Naked has no added color or bleaching, preferable for more sensitive skin types. The color you get is a natural color of the sponge, mix of white or light cream color. Say goodbye to heavy cakey looking makeup. The secret to getting that no makeup naked look is in the application. One sponge can be used to do full face makeup quickly and easily. So yeah, it's good for sensitive skin as they said. And the celebrity makeup artist Namrata Soni loves this sponge, so I was really excited to try this out. So this one is definitely way bigger than my beauty blender once it's wet. You can see the difference. This one is way big. So I'm going to do this side of my face using the YVP and this side using the beauty blender. I've already moisturized my face. For foundation, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation in the shade 150, that's Radiant Beige. So I've just put a little bit of this on the tin. Okay, first before I start applying my foundation, I'm just going to apply my Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer under my eyes, just kind of correcting. So first I'm going to go with my beauty blender on this side, taking a little bit of this on the sponge. Now I'm going to dirty this sponge and I'm going to apply it on this side of my face. At the first use, I can feel that this is way more dense than the beauty blender. I'm kind of liking this. It feels really good on the skin. I don't know why, but I feel this side of the skin has blended way better than this part of my skin where I used the beauty blender. Seriously, it does feel way better. And this is just the first layer of foundation. So let me just show you a close-up of my face. So this side where I used the YVP sponge feels much better, like more blended. Here I can still feel some product, but the coverage looks pretty much the same. So I'm going to add a second layer of foundation and see how it works. So I've applied 2 thin layers of foundation on either side. And as of now, I'm really liking this sponge. It is really good to apply a foundation. It blends everything so quickly and I really like how it looks, and kind of preferring this one more than my beauty blender at the moment. But I'm going to test it further using my concealer, my cream blush. I'm just going to see how it performs with the rest of the products. So now I'm going to use my Cover FX Cream Concealer. Now this concealer is really very thick and it takes a while to blend this out. So I'm just going to test it out using this concealer. blended the concealer so quickly. So it blended the concealer really well. Both of them performed equally good. This one also did the same job as the beauty blender. Both of them blended the concealer really well and really quickly. So I'm really impressed with this. So now I'm going to contour my face and I'm going to use my Body Shop Fresh Nude Foundation in the shade 075. So now I'm just going to apply some cream blush before I go into baking. So I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution cream blush palette. I don't really know which shade I'm going to use. I'm going to pick up this shade from the palette, and first I'm using the beauty blender. Blended the blush really well, so I'm really happy. And my face is kind of looking weird right now because I need to get my highlight contour right. So I'm just gonna bake my face a little. I look crazy right now. So I've just done my baking. I'm gonna let it bake for some time. Until then, I'm just gonna finish my eye makeup, apply some lipstick, and I'll be back to give my final thoughts on this sponge. Hey guys, I'm back with my eye makeup and my lipstick done, and now it's time for the final verdict. So this half of my face is using the beauty blender and this half of my face is using the YBP Naked Perfector. So I really love this sponge. This sponge is really good. As per the claim, it definitely uses less product, so your foundation or concealer, anything that you're going to use is going to last you for a longer time because it doesn't soak up the product. So that's one thing which is really good about this, and it blends my foundation, my concealer, my cream blush, everything perfectly. It blends it really quickly, so I love this sponge. Now coming to the performance, like in comparison to the beauty blender, I love my beauty blender. It's my holy great product, but I think just after this first use, I am loving this slightly more than the beauty blender, just a little bit more, you know. I just love this a little bit more than my beauty blender. That's because I don't know if you can make out any difference, but personally I feel that this half of my face feels as if there's nothing on, as if I have no product on, whereas when I touch this half, it kind of feels that okay, I have some product on. So that is why I like this more than the beauty blender, just a little bit more. I'm not saying that this is bad, this is fabulous, this is my holy grail, but I like this a little bit more than my beauty blender, and I think this sponge is amazing. You must definitely go and try this out. I also love the fact that it comes with this container, so my big sponge, even after it's wet and big in size, it perfectly fits into this container. So I really love this product. I think it's amazing. You must definitely go and try this out, and I'll put a link for their website down below so you can check that out. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll meet you soon in my next video. Bye bye.